lose sight of one thing. That it was all started by a mouse.
Tom Hitchcock crashes, Tom Hitchcock goes, Tom Hitchcock scores! So the ball's up top, he's got a man in the corner, and it's caught! Hello everybody and welcome to Kingston. Lovely ball, lovely line, Joe Westwood searching for the try line.
Not only do I get to call you my best friend, but I get to call you my wife now. You have made me the happiest man alive, and I'm so excited about our future together.
Fox's legendary photographer, videographer Jack is down there. I hope his camera's waterproof, goodness me.
Martin, long over the top to his namesake, class, Byfield. Kofi is mobbed.
Romajeng stepping away, drives towards the line, sensational score from Romajeng. Here is McClaw to the corner, great take, great catch. That is full time.
Hartbury, who are the queens of Bucks women's rugby.
The green machine explodes. Bucks Super Rugby bleeds green. The cap is the glory that will live with them forever. And the night belongs to the Kings of Kincoid.